And also there is another secondary claim. They are saying that there are intermediary fossils, there are intermediary species. When they are claiming that first there were primitive organisms, and then they gradually turned into reptiles, and then amphibians, and then they turned into birds. And while they are making these false scenarios, they are saying that there are some intermediary animals that lived in between. And they again claim that there are some intermediate fossils which definitely do not exist because we cannot find any intermediary fossil. And by means of the findings from the fossils from paleontology, they try to misinterpret those fossils just in order to claim that they are those intermediaries that they were talking about. However, when the scientific world made research on those fossils, it was seen that those are perfect animals with their feeding qualities, with their reproduction qualities. So there are no intermediary fossils that they are talking about, and they try to use some extinct animals in order to claim that those were the ones who were the intermediaries. However, those extinct animals are again total and perfect animals, because in none of the fossils that have been unearthed up until our day, there have been no missing qualities, missing organs, or abnormalities in those body structures of the fossils. For instance, for the coelacanth, they said that it was an intermediary form. However, there is nothing like that, because today they found that in our day the coelacanth was living in our day in the depths of the water, and there are many other coelacanths, and also there are the fossils of the coelacanths. At first, those were the claims of the evolutionists, saying that coelacanths were an intermediary, but it was understood that it was a perfectly living animal, which is found in our modern day. Those are all perfect animals, and there is no intermediary form that they are talking about. And then those evolutionists are again embarrassed every time, and they need to ask for excuses.